Welcome to another Pleasantdale video. This time we're going to be setting up Schoology notifications through the app. So if you've downloaded the app to your phone and signed in, you'll be able to follow along through how to set up two different notifications for yourself. First, let's talk about why we should even have Schoology notifications for parents. Well, the first thing is that private messages from teachers, you can see them when you sign in, but you can also set it that anytime you get them, they go right to your email. And that's what a lot of teachers do too. We set it up to go straight to our email, so we don't have to always log in to see that there's somebody has sent us a private message. So if a teacher's trying to communicate to you through there, it can go straight to your email. The other reason would be to see what's going on weekly or daily with your students' classes. You can see current topics that you can keep a discussion going at home. You can get little reminders of upcoming events and assignments. And then again, it's just also another great communication tool with teachers. Now let's set up the first notification. Again, this is through the app. So if I'm in the app, I click on the three little lines up here, and you'll see there's a little red box around it. And you're going to first go to your account settings at the bottom. Once you're there, you're going to, at the top there, click Notifications. Now you should see a long list of different notifications you could or could not be getting. Most likely, those are all going to be off unless you choose otherwise. The main one I want you to scroll down to is way at the bottom under Personal, and it's where it says Receive a Private Message. And that you want to turn on for your email. You could also turn it on to get a mobile notification as well. Lastly, you want to make sure that at the very end you click Save Changes in that blue box to make sure it's all set. Now let's talk about the next notification. You're going to go back and click that three little lines here. It's going to open the screen, and instead of clicking on Account Settings, now you're going to click on My Children. That'll take you to a screen for your child, or maybe it'll be just one of your children. So at the very top, there's like a little drop down where it says the student's name. If that's the correct student, just make sure you have the one chosen that you want to do this for. And then you're just going to click on Notifications. Now it's going to take you right to this screen where you can set up a parent email digest. That's basically where you can get a weekly or daily summary of upcoming events that are happening. It also says that it could include grades and things like that, but we don't put grades. Those are through Skyward solely. So mainly you're looking for the upcoming events, maybe topics they're going to be discussing, or projects that are going to be due soon. And you can set the time you receive that, the day you receive that as well. The other option is for overdue submissions, but since we don't usually put homework in a grade into Schoology, this would be an option you probably won't use. I hope that is helpful, and good luck setting up. If you have questions, please contact us.